my question is simple, but really profound. I have a 27-year-old, a 25-year-old, and a 21-year-old. So it was encouraging when you said, how will your young adult be when they're 35? That's what you need to focus on. So I have some time still. So thanks for that. So two-part question. How can parents guide their children to independence, both as they're rearing them and then also when they're young adults?
Right. So, the best thing to understand, first of all, is that it is literally the job of childhood and adolescence to become independent. And so you also, in the way you asked the question, there was a certain brilliance because you said guide, you didn't say lead, right? So what we want to do is create opportunities for them to learn, but prevent opportunities from them entering dangerous zones. So think of adolescence as a puzzle. It's called Who Am I? How do you put together a puzzle? The first thing you do is you put together the edges. That's the power of protective boundaries, beyond which kids can't stray, right? And those are about safety. When you give kids clear boundaries beyond which they can't stray, they know exactly how far they can push. What's the next thing that you do when you're putting together a puzzle? You put together the like pieces. You put together the reds and you're like trying to figure out, what could this be? This could be a strawberry, it could be a cherry, gosh, it could be a fire engine or a balloon. What do you do to figure it out, Dave? You then look at the picture in the box because you don't have the patience. That's the power of our role modeling. So what do? You create clear boundaries around safety. You let kids stretch in those boundaries to expand when they can handle it. And you role model for kids what a healthy 35, 50, or 60-year-old looks like. And then what's left over, it's all the pieces in the middle. It's the irregular, jagged pieces that lie within the safe boundaries. That's where you get out of your way. That's where you let them make mistakes, right? So you celebrate their stretching and you don't let them make the mistakes that involve danger, but you do let them make lots of other mistakes and teach them that when you fall down, you get back up stronger. And when you fall down, I will be there to help you get back up. That's the way you guide your child towards independence, one step at a time.
Thank you. Awesome.